Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get time-lost diamond Poe2 full guide. Start by completing the coastal town side quest to unlock the hidden dungeon and gather key NPCs for hints. Prepare by adjusting party composition for lockpicking and trap detection, and stock up on healing and stamina items. Scout the map carefully for hidden entrances, mark rare spawn locations, and approach timed encounters with consumable buffs to improve success rates. Use optimized routes to increase your chances of finding a time-lost diamond by revisiting high-yield areas repeatedly. Focus on elite spawn zones and gated dungeons that commonly house unique drops, and alternate between 2 or 3 zones to let spawn timers reset. Bring a lucky charm item or consumable that boosts drop rates, and coordinate short runs to clear enemies fast while preserving resources for multiple attempts in one session. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content for you and share tips with others. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh car scent and fewer distractions during long grinding sessions. It makes commutes and loading waits nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Leverage utility skills and items to reveal secrets and improve drop quality while you search for the time-lost diamond. Equip gear with magic, find modifiers, and bring scrolls that reveal hidden objects to cut down search time. Use controlled saves to test boss mechanics and respawn outcomes without permanent loss, and consider small consumable boosts to increase luck for brief runs when attempting rare item drops on higher difficulty.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.